I am Twinkle, and on behalf of Mentor, I welcome you all for today's webinar. Mentor Knowledge Management Private Limited is a part of education sector since 2004 by assisting parents and students to improve the way they have been taking career decisions. With thorough research, we have designed a process which involves technology at its finest with human intervene as well. Here I have a little video for you. Just let's have a look. Okay. Before we move ahead, I would also like to, mention that if you are able to hear me clearly, and also if you are able to see the screen. So if you could, raise the hands option that I have showed you earlier. So that will be really great if you could, make sure that you're okay. That's great. Okay, so you can see and hear me very clearly. Fine. Okay, so let's get on with this. This technology is going to really make us friendly with the equipments. Okay, so the question why we are here today is that we have to know about what is the importance of choosing the right stream. Class 10th exams are over, and now it is time to choose the stream which is going to be a huge part of our lives from then on. अभी एग्जाम्स खत्म हो गए and we need to relax, but we also have to take a very important decisions. We can't change our results. अभी जो हमने एग्जाम दे दिए that is done, but आगे क्या करना है that is totally in our hands. Hence there is no point in worrying and thinking about what we could have done differently. So just relax, because you have a big decision to make. What do you really want to study next? Until now, you had to study all the subjects like Hindi, English, maths, science, social science, all the subjects, where you were taught the basics of everything. But after 10th, what you want to study has to be decided only by you. Which stream has to be taken and in which stream you want to excel. These are the decisions that you have to take, right? So you will have three options in front of you, mainly science, commerce, and arts. Every stream has specific subjects which are being taught at school, and they lead to a specific career path. Hence, it becomes very important to stay informed about the stream selection option that we are making, right? So let's move ahead. Why is it so important to choose a right stream? इट इज़ वेरी ऑब्वियस, क्योंकि हमारा जो करियर, हमारा जो हम ये ऑप्शन या जो हम चॉइस लेते हैं साइंस, आर्ट्स और कॉमर्स के बीच में, ये एक्चुअली चॉइस जो है हमारा पूरा लाइफ डिटरमाइन करती है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही फाउंडेशनल स्टेप्स होते हैं जो हमारा पूरा जिसके ऊपर हमारा पूरा माइलस्टोन डिपेंड करता है, राइट? ओके, सो नंबर वन, what is the first step? So first, it is choosing the right stream is actually the first stepping stone to establish your bright career, right? Before understanding the phenomena of how to choose the right stream, let's discuss why it is so important, right? So let's take a very classic example. हम इसे एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. जब आप हमने एथलीट्स को देखा है रेस में भागते हुए, राइट? उन सबके पास एक ट्रैक अलॉटेड होता है, उन्हें उसी ट्रैक में भागना होता है. if 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 अगर उनका ट्रैक, if they step on someone else's track, they are considered as disqualified. Now there's a reason that the system is generated कि they have to run in their own track. अब जब बहुत लंबी रेसेस होती है, let's say if it's a 400 meter race or it's an 800 meter race, उस केस में क्या होता है that they can after one lap they can change the tracks, बट ये इंफॉर्मेशन कि आप एक लैप के बाद अपना लेन चेंज कर सकते हो, दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी नीड. अगर हम इसे करियर के टर्म्स में रिलेट करने जाए, अगर आज आप साइंस लेते हो, so you have to be well aware that after taking science you can shift into like mass communications, say for example. But for example, if you are taking commerce and you want to switch into any scientific field or any science related career options, you won't be able to do that. So these are some informations that we need to be well aware of before we make a stream selection decision, right? And the next is stream selection plus rising interest in academic. जब आप एक correct stream choose करते हो, let's say for example, आज अगर there's a student who loves maths, who loves dealing with money, who has lots of interest in stock market and lots of interest in business as well. अगर he takes up commerce, he would enjoy the subject. उसे business studies पढ़ना, economics पढ़ना, both micro and micro, he would love to study that क्योंकि वो उसका interest area है. It is something that he enjoys doing, he's passionate about. Hence, जब वो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ रहा होगा, तब उसका एकेडमिक्स में भी इंटरेस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली हाई हो जाएगा, क्योंकि उसकी प्रायोरिटी यहाँ पे एकेडमिक्स नहीं होगी, उसकी प्रायोरिटी यहाँ पे होगी कि उसे इंटरेस्ट सबसे ज्यादा किस में है. सो दिस इज अ फिनोमेना दैट वी नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट कि हम अपना स्ट्रीम हमारी इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से चूज कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स लुक एट द थर्ड टॉपिक. नो सब्जेक्ट इज इजी और डिफिकल्ट, इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट, आज सारे सब्जेक्ट इक्वल होते हैं, सबका लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी इज ऑल्सो ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. बट द मेन थिंग हियर इज दैट कुछ लोगों के लिए मैथ्स अगर बहुत मुश्किल है, तो कुछ बच्चों के लिए वो मैथ सब्जेक्ट इज वेरी इजी. तो ये जानना फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स कि उन्हें क्या पसंद है, क्या पसंद नहीं है, इट इज ऑल इन रिलेशन टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. हेंस उनका इंटरेस्ट जानना becomes very important. And fourth thing, which actually sums up all the three options, are that matching personal strength with potential career option. Let's take the example जो हमने पहले लिया. A student who has interest in commerce, उसका interest की वजह से उसका academic caliber is going to raise automatically. So if we connect that point with this point, that he is going to, if he studies commerce because of his interest, and his academic is also going to be strong, and if he chooses a field which is in relation to like commerce, and he'll be able to match his own strength with the best career option that is out there, right? So these are the things that we need to know about and reflect on. In between, if anyone has any question, please feel to drop your questions in the chat box. We can definitely look upon it, right? So if you have not questioned yourself, you haven't really thought. बहुत ही जनरल सी सेइंग है कि अगर हमारे पास ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, तो मतलब हमने उस चीज के बारे में ठीक से कभी सोचा ही नहीं है. Hence, before stream selection, there are टेक्निकली thousands of questions arise होने चाहिए आपके माइंड में, क्योंकि this is a very important and crucial step. So let's look into few of the like major questions which can be looked into. So number one, what are the career opportunities in the subjects you are deciding on? अगर आपने साइंस लिया, यू शुड बी वेल अवेयर दैट नॉन मेडिकल के भी ऑप्शन होंगे, मेडिकल के भी ऑप्शंस होंगे, और दोनों में भी देयर आर गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट मेनी ऑप्शंस दैट कैन बी प्रेजेंटेड इन साइंस. You should know well in advance about what are the career opportunities that are going to be presented in front of you. Second, should I select stream as per my marks in 10th? Not at all. That should not be a criteria. When you are, for example, it's one student who has aced with 97% of marks, it is not important that he has to take science, क्योंकि लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि 75% मार्क्स आ गए तो बच्चा तो आराम से साइंस ले पाएगा. दिस इज अ वेरी स्टिग्मा, दिस इज अ स्टिग्मा. ये चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर 75% मार्क्स आए हैं और उसका एप्टीट्यूड, उसका कैलिबर, उसका इंटरेस्ट अगर कॉमर्स में है, तो ही शुड टेक कॉमर्स. because if because just he has got like 97% of marks, and if he ends up taking science, he is not going to enjoy it, उसका इंटरेस्ट डिक्लाइन होता जाएगा। और जब स्टूडेंट का इंटरेस्ट डिक्लाइन होता जाता है तो वो सीधा रिफ्लेक्ट करता है उसके एकेडमिक रिजल्ट पे। तो to enhance the academic result, it is very important that you keep in consideration that you have something which is your area of interest. Now, next question. What are the curriculum followed by different boards? बहुत सारे, they are majorly, you have IB board, you have CBSE, you have state board, right? So these are the boards, उनके what are the differences, मेरे लिए कौन सा best होगा, ये सारे questions you need to think about. And these are the questions which play a very major role, right? Okay. Okay. Should you consider professional courses or stick to more traditional option? So these are the questions which also student go for, for example, अगर 12th के बाद उनको ऐसा लगता है कि they should, like, उनके लिए क्या better रहेगा, should they take engineering में diploma कर लेना चाहिए, they should go for some integrated course. So what are the courses to look for? So हमारा विजन बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए अबाउट हाउ वी वांट टू लाइक टेक अप आवर करियर जर्नी। ओके, सो बिफोर वी टॉक मोर अबाउट इट, वी हैव टू नो कि हम क्या चीज ढूंढ रहे हैं। अगर हमें यही नहीं पता होगा कि what exactly we are looking for, we won't be able to successfully reach to our search what we are looking for. So what should we know before choosing the right career? सबसे पहले what से पहले, when we are talking about the phenomena of what, इसका सबसे पहले होगा that knowledge is power. You should know what you are looking for, right? And इस पूरे one would be self awareness. You should be self aware. Now self aware at this stage of point would be that you should be willing, आपके पास आपको इतनी इच्छा होनी चाहिए that you want to know कि मैं किस चीज में अच्छा हूँ, just because I need to have a purpose in life, to initiate the involvement of career in within you. That is the phenomena we are looking for in terms of self awareness. Now second would be do not follow the crowd. ये बहुत ही basic phenomena है और हमारे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे students आए हैं that they're talking about कि just because our friends have taken this, so I would also like to take commerce. This is not how things work. Okay, I think we have more people joining in. So people who have just joined in, I welcome you all. So we have just been talking about what are the major reasons and why is it so important to make the right stream choice for our 10th, for our 11th and 12th. So just be with us, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop in the chat box. Right? So yeah. So next we would look at assistance of a career counselor. Obviously, when we are in 10th, हम थोड़ी बहुत research अपने end से करते ही है. But if our research is going in the right direction or not, if we are whatever our research is, if it's not biased, if we are going in the right direction, it is very important to get it confirmed. So a career counselor can really help you. Now this can go in two ways. Either आपके पास information है and you just want to confirm it, or either you want to, you have no idea about what you want to do. So a career counselor can really help you prepare a roadmap for you. According to your aptitude, what will be the right option for you, right? And the next would be being aware about all the streams thoroughly. आपको before making a stream decision, no matter if you are choosing science, commerce or any other field, you should know कि science में क्या है, commerce में क्या है and arts में क्या है, और तीनों में आपको opportunities possibly क्या क्या मिल सकती है, right? And next would be discuss with your parents and teachers as well. So stream selection may, since we are like, it's very important that we are in the same page as our parents are. आप उनसे भी बात कर सकते हो, because they can also have inputs. So this can be a very good starting point for your discussion about your career. So keep in mind, that you also have to talk to your parents and teachers for more guidance, right? And the last one would be checking career prospects, scopes and possibilities of a stream, right? So there are lots of options. For example, if we look into commerce, right? Commerce में ऐसा नहीं है that there's just business, entrepreneurship. There are lots of other upcoming trending streams that are coming in, and lot of other career opportunities that you can take. So these are the about what we should know. These are the 6 elements about what we should know. So different parameters must be considered while selecting the right stream for your senior secondary education. The foremost is selecting a stream that matches your strength. हम आज तक what we have been doing is कि अगर हम अगर मैथ्स में मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं तो भी हम हमारा सबसे ज्यादा स्टडी आवर्स हम मैथ्स को allocate कर देते हैं just because we need to strengthen that as well. But what we need to focus, especially while making a stream selection decision, is that we need to keep in mind that we have to work on the basis of our strength. अगर आप अपना स्ट्रेंथ के हिसाब से if you pick your career, it will be a much more smoother and much more happy go lucky wala. You'll have the feeling you will enjoy the study and your entire career journey very very successfully. So what do we need to know? हमें क्या जानना है when we are talking about uh, choosing the right stream? What are the parameters that we should be knowing? So for stream selection, following are the factors you must know about. First is career personality. So career personality will help you understand yourself as a person for rewarding career options. Every individual, सबकी अपनी अपनी एक अपना अपना एक व्यक्तित्व होता है. They have their own personality type, their own personality traits. So if I have to like explain personality in the most basic terminology, वो हमारा naturally reflected behavior होता है. So अगर हम हमारे personality in terms of career also, if we understand our career personality, वो it will help us pick the right career, right? So when we talk about career interest type, as it if for example if I have a lot of passion about teaching, so and I especially mainly want to teach the kids, so that is my interest area, something where imparting education, imparting knowledge is something where my interest lies. Now how would you identify? So if in when I was younger, lots of students would lots of my friends would come to make me understand this topic. So that has been like my interest area since very beginning. So everyone has their own interest type which has to be picked and also be collaborated with the decision that you make. Third thing would be career motivators. They are important guiding principles that help set priorities in career life. So career is a very prolonged journey. आपका आपका आपकी लाइफ का 75% of the time is dedicated or allotted to your career. So after if you are very young, after 10-15 years काफी stagnant हो जाता है. वो आपका ग्राफ जब ऊपर जा रहा होता है, एक टाइम आएगा when it becomes very stagnant. So उस point of time पे आपके जो career motivators होते हैं, that will help you bounce back with more resilience, more power, with more experience to perform way better in your career. So ये सारी चीजें हैं जो हम अभी से ही identify कर सकते हैं. अगर हम अभी से ही ये चीजें ध्यान में रखें, we are being well prepared in advance, right? And next we're talking about learning style, identifying the best learning style. So this learning style concept is based on the VARK theory. हम हमारे पास हम जैसे हम समझते हैं, जैसे हम चीजों को याद रखते हैं, काफी अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं. सो कुछ जैसे होते हैं जो लिख कर याद रखेंगे, एंड कुछ होंगे जो देख कर उनका विजुअली बहुत स्ट्रांग रहेगा. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स अभी हम जब मैं विल ऑल्सो लुक इनटू आवर रिपोर्ट व्हिच इज अ 35 पेजेस रिपोर्ट. सो विल लुक इनटू दैट एज वेल कि ये सारी चीजें हम कैसे जान सकते हैं, राइट? सो जस्ट बी विथ मी, विल ऑल्सो लुक इनटू दैट एज वेल. And okay, Yeah. So now just let's look into all the brief that we just looked into. We talk about career motivators, career interests, skills and abilities, learning style, and career personality. So these are the 5 dimensions. अगर हम इन पांचों dimensions को अपने साथ लेकर चलते हैं, तो there is no chance that we could make a wrong stream selection decision, right? But the question is, how are you going to identify? हमने ये सारी बातें कर ली कि ये सारी चीजें हमें पता होनी चाहिए, क्या क्या चीजें हैं और why what, ये सारी हमने चीजें देख ली, बट हम आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे इन सारी चीजों को, राइट? So for this, there is a process through the process of triple A assessment. Now this is a process of created through an amalgamation of technology and human intervene. So triple A assessment is something that would give you clarity and a very clear roadmap, right? So how can you generate your triple A profile? Now let's look into how through a live demonstration. Okay, so yeah, I hope you can see my screen, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. So please feel free to ask any question. Okay, so this is our page. As I already briefed you about Mentor. So this is our page. Now, if you want to generate your own triple A profile, now these are the steps that you need to follow. Uh, if you want to do it with me, you can also have your another phone also, and uh, go with the procedure that I'm going through, or you can just write down the steps in your notebook so that आपके लिए आगे जब आप sign in करेंगे तो आपके लिए easy होगा, right? So what we need to do first is that we need to go to sign up option first. हम सबसे पहले register करेंगे खुद को. So let's say my name is Riya. I type in Riya, right? And then I'll type my email ID, riya01@gmail.com, right? And then I'll put in my password as well. Okay, now I'll enter location and I'll select my age. So let's say 15, okay? And since we are looking at stream selection, so we would go for start assessments for students, okay? नाउ जब आप स्टार्ट असेसमेंट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स पे क्लिक करते हैं तभी एक नीचे एक और कॉलम आ जाएगा विच विल बी सिलेक्ट, प्लीज सिलेक्ट. सो व्हेन जब आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे तब आपको यू हैव टू गो फॉर करियर असेसमेंट फॉर 9th to 12th वाली कैटेगरी में, राइट? सो जस्ट बी केयरफुल जब आप ये चीज सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, बस थोड़ा ध्यान से एंड बी लाइक सिलेक्टेड वेरी कॉशियसली. सो यू सिलेक्ट इन दिस ऑप्शन, राइट? एंड देन एक और ड्रॉप डाउन आएगा एंड हियर यू विल हैव टू सिलेक्ट career planning for 9th and 10th, right? So just let's look at it once more. Start assessment for students पे click करना है हमें, and then 9 to 12th में career assessment for 9 to 12th standard पे click करना है, and then career planning for 9th and 10th we'll have to select, right? And then please select current stage में यहाँ पे you will have 5 options. I have no idea about my career. I am confused among various career options. I'm in search for more information about my career choices. I have information but don't have an execution plan. Let's say I am confused among various career options, right? So I will just register myself. Just save password. Okay. Now आपको यहाँ पे ये you will get this column, green color का box होगा जहाँ पे होगा registration has been successfully made. So अभी पहले हमने sign up वाला option किया था. Now the second option will be sign in. So we made, yeah, Okay, so when you successfully sign in, this will be the page that will open up, right? अगर आप अपने फोन पे भी टेस्ट दे रहे हो, that is also fine. Similar sort of page will only open. बस ये जो my test वाला ऑप्शन है, पेमेंट एंड रिपोर्ट है, ये वाली चीज इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगी. So just even if you're doing with your phone as well, that works perfectly fine as well, right? So after you come up at this page, ये आपका student dashboard है. So this is only for you, right? So now to start the test, you go for my test option, right? So you'll get the instruction, you read the instruction. I would suggest जब आप test दे रहे हो, make sure that you're feeling fresh and relax yourself, because this is going to take like 45 minutes. So पहले से ही accordingly plan कर लीजिएगा कि आपको that you have that much time in hand, and you can put in your concentrated effort into this as well. So आप यहाँ पे start test option दे देंगे. Okay, so now read the instructions very carefully, right? So I'll just give you a suggestion that जब आप test start कर दे, तो make sure कि आप instructions बिल्कुल भी skip ना करें, because throughout the test हमारा test ऐसे designed है कि there'll be questions coming in into like 10, first 10 questions, second 10 questions, third 10 question, इस तरीके से. और कुछ questions ऐसे भी होंगे जो time bound होंगे. कुछ क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए आपके पास सिर्फ 1 मिनट का समय रहेगा. So just make sure that you are reading the instructions very carefully, so that you get an heads up of what is going to come up next. So I'll just show you how the test looks like. So yeah, so if you go for start test, you will have something like this. You'll have to choose between the statements. So when you finish the entire test, and automatically आपको further steps के लिए guide कर दिया जाएगा about the payment procedure and all. So yeah, so it is a very easy procedure. So आपका initial step we have covered. आपका career interest, career personality, career motivators, learning style, and career scenarios. After this completes, आपका aptitude वाला test will also start. Now let's get into, हमने ये तो देख लिया that how we are going to give the test, right? Now let's look at कि आपके टेस्ट देने के बाद what are the things, आपका ट्रिपल ए प्रोफाइल कैसा दिखेगा, how triple A profile going to look like, right? So let's look at one of the sample reports. Okay, so this is यहाँ पे आपका नाम आ जाएगा, right? Here your name would come. Right, okay, I think we are having a question, so I'll just address the question as well. Okay, so uh, I think Rahul wants to ask if this report is specifically for art students, like for someone who is interested in commerce, or already thought that okay, so Rahul wants to ask that he has already thought that he wants to take up commerce. So how is this report going to help him? Right? So that's a very good and valid question. So if you have अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है that your interest is in commerce, so this is something which is going to confirm your your findings about yourself. So when you are giving this test, so let's look into how it is going to tell you. So okay, so Rahul, if you have already decided that you are taking up commerce, बहुत सारे commerce में भी field रहेंगे about should you be taking maths or not when you are taking up commerce, and what is the should you be more focusing into marketing, or what are the career choices. तो आपका जो confirmation है that your decision is scientifically right or not, this is something which will give you a scientific closure, right? And a confirmation that you are in the right path. So this is how it is going to help you. So please, just as Rahul dropped in his question, please feel free to drop in your questions as well. I'll be answering them during the explaining of my webinar as well. So सबसे पहले आपकी आएगी profiling कि आप when you are talking about your career, if you are confused, if you are in a confused state, or what are you like, in which stage are you currently in. So if you are confused, risk क्या क्या involved रहेंगे. If you take up a wrong career or wrong stream selection अगर आपका हो जाता है, तो आपके पास career dissatisfaction बहुत होगा. So we had a lot of students, they, for example, they're art students basically, just because friends commerce में जा रहे थे, तो they took up commerce, but they don't enjoy studying commerce. After a point of time, friends are not going to be with you, right? That's your sole career and you will have to build it. So dissatisfaction and lack of interest should never be there. So what so we also work on the action plan. When you are confused, what should be your action plan? So number one would be to identify your strength and weakness. आप क्या किन चीजों में अच्छे हो और किन चीजों में आपको काम करने की जरूरत है. जिन चीजों में आप अच्छे हो, हम उन चीजों को लेकर वी वुड कम अप विद अ करियर ऑप्शन जहाँ पे आप उन चीजों को एंजॉय करोगे. सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग, when you start working in your interest area, आपका पर्सनालिटी ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रूम होता है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस भी बूस्ट होगा, क्योंकि यू विल बी पुटिंग योर सेल्फ आउट देयर, राइट. सो आपका सबसे पहले पर्सनालिटी असेसमेंट होगा, जहाँ पे वी वुड बी गेटिंग अ कॉम्बिनेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे विद दिस सैम्पल रिपोर्ट द स्टूडेंट इज ES, T एंड P. सो ये कॉम्बिनेशंस आएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप इंट्रोवर्ट है या एक्सट्रोवर्ट है, आप लोगों के साथ ज्यादा रहना पसंद करते हैं, या फिर यू लाइक टू बी बाय योर सेल्फ. आप if you are someone who thinks from your mind or who listens to your heart, और क्या बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पॉन्टेनियस है, क्या आपको चीजें ऑर्गेनाइज पसंद है. ये सारे पर्सनालिटी के ट्रेट्स होते हैं जो हमारे रिफ्लेक्टिव बिहेवियर में काउंट होते हैं, राइट. सो अगर मैं इस चीज को एक बहुत अच्छी तरीके से अगर आपको एक एग्जांपल के साथ एक्सप्लेन करूं, तो ये कुछ इस तरीके से होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर कोई इंट्रोवर्ट बच्चा है जो बहुत कम बोलता है, जो अपने आप को बेटर समझता है, इतना इतना लोगों से इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता, अगर हम उसे सेल्स का जॉब दे दें, या उसे हम मार्केटिंग, जहाँ पे उसे बहुत ज्यादा लोगों के साथ इन्वॉल्व रहना हो, वो बहुत जल्दी खुद को ड्रेन फील करेगा, वो उतना ज्यादा एंजॉय नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि दैट इज समथिंग विच इज अगेंस्ट हिज पर्सनालिटी. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्ट्रेंथ, सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रेंथ होता है कि हम खुद को जान पाए. दैट इज द बेस्ट वे टू क्रिएट अ रोड मैप फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. ओके. सो one of the biggest strength of our report is कि अगर if you have the report, आप 6 महीने बाद भी if you want to like go through it, आप सारी चीजों को आप खुद से you can read it on your own. The language is very simple and something that you would definitely understand. And we always focus on the strength as well. We always focus on strength because weakness is something that would automatically decrease if we are working on the strength from now on. That is after your 10th. So, for example, this student's strength is rational, practical, sociable, full of life and energy, prefer to communicate clearly with direct and factual question answers, love to experiment with new ideas and solutions. So these are his strength areas, right? So next, interest areas. सबसे ज़्यादा interest कहाँ पे आएगा? So again, this is all statistics. So these हम यहाँ पे numbers में ही देखेंगे हर एक चीजें. So this student is more investigative in his like personality, social, realistic, and enterprising. So we would look at the first 4 options. So this student is very analytical. उसको logic and complex problem solving में बहुत ज़्यादा interest है, right? And very realistic. They would like to do work with hands-on experience, with tools and machines and drawings, and very realistic as well. जो सामने दिखता है उसी चीजों पे they would like rely more, right? So when you give your test as well, these are something which would like be very subjective. ये आप this report is going to reflect everything about you, right? Okay. So next would be career motivators. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो उनको हर एक दिन नई नई चीजें करना पसंद है. सो फॉर दिस स्टूडेंट एज वेल द एलिमेंट ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस लर्निंग इज वेरी हाई. सो हर एक दिन नई नई चीजें करना, क्या बच्चे को एडवेंचर पसंद है या नहीं, अकेले काम करना पसंद करता है नहीं, एलिमेंट ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी कितना हाई है. सो फॉर समवन जिसको आर्ट्स, पेंटिंग्स या ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग या एनिमेशन में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट होगा, उसका क्रिएटिविटी वाला एलिमेंट ऊपर चला जाएगा, right? So it's better. So your subjective element only demonstrates here. So again, everything that that is demonstrated. So all the points are well defined and well under well described here. So next would be learning style. When you are doing your career planning for ninth and 12th standard, so at that time you are still to clear your 11th and 12th. और उस टाइम पे आपको आपका एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस काफी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना पड़ता है, राइट? सो आपकी जो लर्निंग स्टाइल है, इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अकेडमिकली. सो लर्निंग स्टाइल इज बेस्ड ऑन वाक थ्योरी. कि कुछ बच्चे होते हैं, फॉर सम ऑफ अस हमें लिख के चीजें याद रहती है, फॉर सम ऑफ अस हम अगर एक बार एक चीज देख लेते हैं तो वो हमारी लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी में ज्यादा प्रोसेस होती है. सो एंड कुछ बच्चे होते हैं काइनेस्थेटिक लर्नर, दे कांट सिट एट वन प्लेस, उनको फ्रीक्वेंट ब्रेक्स लेने की जरूरत होती है. सो अगर हम लर्निंग स्टाइल के अकॉर्डिंग अपना लेसन प्लान ड्राफ्ट करते हैं, या लर्निंग स्टाइल के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम अपने स्टडी हैबिट्स इनकलकेट करते हैं, so that is going to help us academically. So kinesthetic learners की क्या क्या qualities होती है? So they learn by by doing things. Practical experience में ज्यादा believe करते हैं. And plus you would also get strategies कि अगर आप एक kinesthetic learner है तो क्या क्या strategies आप use कर सकते हैं while while studying. So for example, let's look into some of the points that you can make charts, you can listen to music, meditational music while you are studying. You can plan your breaks very frequently कि मुझे इतने टाइम में breaks लेना है. क्योंकि kinesthetic learners के साथ you need to understand that your brain needs to reboot. So every 30 minutes you have to take 5 minutes of time to let your mind reboot, right? So I think okay, I'm getting one more question also from Neha. So she is asking that how is it going to help her, like learning style? She prefers uh, okay, she prefers listening. So उसको अगर वो if she listens, she remembers better. So what can be her learning style, learning strategies? So this is like we have an entire test. So after you get this test, we can actually tell you in a more scientific way कि आपके आपके लिए सबसे ज्यादा what will work best for you. So yeah, so if you are if you are listening, अगर आपकी listening बहुत strong है, so I'll just give you one tip that आप अपने you can record your own voice and then listen to it while while you are exercising or while you are doing something. So that will help you, like that help you recall better. So all of these things were based on psychological analysis, something which has to do with your personality, your behavior, and uh, your particulars. So now we look at your skills and abilities. Now skills and abilities are basically your potentials कि आपका आपकी आपकी brain capacity कितनी है. Will you be able to perform or not? So traditionally, every one of us wants to be, dreams of becoming, traditionally सबको एक डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हैं. But do we have the aptitude? काफी बच्चे होते हैं जो खुद को बहुत अंडर एस्टिमेट भी करते हैं. काफी बच्चे होते हैं जो मैथ से डरते हैं, पर एक्चुअली उनकी न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी बहुत अच्छी होती है. So today only we had this student who had numerical ability like 90%, but she did not like the subject maths. So there are lots of reasons कि why the student does not like maths, but उनकी numerical ability actually बहुत अच्छी होती है. So we need to identify कि हम वो हमारी skills and abilities में lack कर रहा है, या हम उस चीज को we are taking in a very pessimistic way. So that is something also we can identify. So when we talk about skills and abilities, numerical ability comes into the picture, logical ability होती है, verbal ability, how good is your command over language, clerical and organizational skills, how good is your planning and management skills, spatial and visualization ability, right? So this is also something this is a quality which is mostly prominent in graphic designer, someone who has a lot of interest in architecture or interior designing. So if you have this quality, you will be able to perform greatly into that field, right? And then we have leadership and decision making skills for students who want to go into administrative services or students who want to go into commerce and lead things. So unke liye it's very important that this is something that is worked upon. Social and cooperation skills, how good you are with people. Mechanical abilities for someone who wants to go into the field of engineering, this is something that becomes very important. So this is how we identify, or you will come to know about yourselves कि आप किन चीजों में अच्छे हो. So अगर आप अभी तक हमने जितनी भी चीजें देखी, so अगर हम इन सारी चीजों को मिला ले, तो we'll come to know about the career cluster. Your aptitude, your personality type, your interest, your motivators and your learning style, उन सभी के basis पे आपके career clusters evaluate होंगे. So we look into the top 4 career clusters. As you can see, there are lots of career clusters that are available. So you can imagine कि after you have made a decision, अगर आप wrong decision ले सकते हैं तो आप कितने ज़्यादा limitation में आ जाओगे just because you have taken a wrong decision. So this is going to help you. आपके पास imagine out of thousands of career options, you are out of hundreds of career clusters, you आपके पास you are getting what is best for you. So we'll look at first four career cluster options. So Abhi, how are we going to work with those career clusters? So सबसे पहले आ जाएगा साइंस एंड मैथ्स एंड इंजीनियरिंग का क्लस्टर. वहां पे आपका इंटरेस्ट और आपकी स्किल्स और एबिलिटीज दोनों मैच होंगे. कि आपके लिए अगर दोनों में मैच है, आपका साइकोलॉजिकल एनालिसिस और क्या आप वो परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे, उसके बेसिस पे यू गेट टॉप चॉइस, गुड चॉइस, अवॉइडिंग चॉइस या ऑप्शनल चॉइस. सो ये सारी चीजें यू वुड गेट, राइट? बहुत ही डिटेल में अबाउट एवरी प्रोफेशन, एज यू कैन जस्ट लुक एट इट फ्रॉम द रिपोर्ट ऑल्सो. Okay, I think we are getting another question as well. Okay, so she's asking that she is interested in interior designing, but she's not sure if she'll be able to do it. She's confused. Okay, so now when we're talking about interior designing, so आपका aptitude in spatial and visualization ability has to be very high. आपका creativity element भी बहुत ज़्यादा high होना चाहिए. तो अगर हम जैसे हमने previous reports में देखा, आपके मोटिवेटर्स में भी क्रिएटिविटी का एलिमेंट आना चाहिए और आपके एप्टीट्यूड में भी विजुअलाइजेशन एंड स्पेशल एबिलिटी है, दैट शुड बी हाई. इफ देयर इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, अगर आपकी रिपोर्ट में ये सारी चीजें आती है, so definitely you can your choice of interior designing will be like very suitable for you. So what one more advantage would be that when we give reports to the students, we also give you are also able to tell कि आपके पास और क्या क्या options है which you will be able to perform. So you'll get in depth detail about all the career options और उनके अंदर क्या क्या parameters में चीजें आती हैं, right? So for this student, let's say उसका favorite career path है artificial intelligence and उसका ये top choice है. So now आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस या आप जब आप अपनी रिपोर्ट देखेंगे तो जो भी आपका प्रोफेशन आएगा, उस प्रोफेशन का वर्क नेचर क्या होगा, आपको क्या क्या करने में आएगा जब आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस या यू कम इनटू दैट फील्ड, आपका प्रोफेशन क्या डिमांड करेगा आपसे. सो दैट इज समथिंग विच कम्स हियर एज वेल. तो आपको वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज पर्सनलाइज्ड करियर स्ट्रैटेजी. आपको 10th में कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स लेने की जरूरत है, 12th में आपको कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स लेने की जरूरत है, when you are doing your graduation, what are the subjects that you will be taking, post graduation में what are the subjects that you will be taking, and career advancement के लिए even after you have done your masters, what are the things that you could do more. और यहाँ पे आपके occupations also. So if you look at it, this is like your detailed next 10-year plan, right? And here is the market survey. So for in this case, for artificial intelligence, what is the fees in the market? What is the demand of that profession in the market? What is the salary and the level of preparation? So all of these things are also determined. And at the last, we have the career summary report as well, right? So if you go for your, this is how your triple A would look like, right? So yeah, so we just had a live look about if you are going to give the test, how will your report look like? So just let's just skim through it about how what are the things that we saw. We saw the career planning stage. We talked about the risk involved and the action plan that is there. We talked about how personality is also important while making a stream selection and the career decision as well. We also looked about how interest can play a major role in keeping your motivation high, and then how skills and abilities also play a major role in identify कि आपके लिए best option क्या रहेगा, and where you आपका skills and abilities, you know, it will help you groom your personality, कहाँ पे आपका grooming ज़्यादा होगी. And then according to all of those things, career clusters will be identified कि आपके लिए कौन से career clusters best options में होंगे. और उसके बाद जो भी career clusters होंगे उसमें you will get the option if it's the top choice for you, good choice for you, optional choice for you. You should be that is something that you will explore. और क्या वो ऐसी चीज है जो आपको बिल्कुल avoid करनी चाहिए, right? And then इसी तरीके से you will be getting an analysis of in terms of ratio for all the career options according to your clusters. And this is the the star of the entire report where you get the plan for the like next 10 years, right? And here we have what we looked at, the market survey. The career path analysis contains four important parameters to have a better insight into most suitable path. So यहाँ पे fees क्या होगी, demand क्या होगी, salary क्या होगी, and the level of preparation. All of these things will also come into the report and the market survey and the entire summary of the report, right? So I think I'll be taking up a few questions that we have had, right? So yeah, okay. So one of the questions that we have is that okay. Okay, so Nivedita has a question that she is in 10th right now, and she is highly interested in sports, but her parents disagree that they want her to finish her her education first. So Nivedita, if you have sports is a very, if you have sports, you can actually make a very good career in terms of it as well. We can identify your interest area as well. You can go into sports administration. If you have lot of if you are interested in biology as well, so you can go into sports physiotherapy as well. You can also prepare for IPS if you are very good in sport, and if you have that interest and aptitude, you can also consider going into going into other relevant fields as well. Okay, and okay, we'll look at more questions. Okay, so yeah, Aditi has a question about she wants to go for fashion designing, but she's also confused if she should take up interior designing or not. So I think Aditi, if you are in 10th standard, it is best that you take up arts as your subject, because you are confused between fashion designing and interior designing, both of which are in the field of designing. So I think for basis 11th and 12th, you should be taking up arts only. And after that, if you still have confusion, we can also have a session where we can you know talk about how you can work with both, and with the triple A report as well, you'll be able to see कि आपका percentage कहाँ high जा रहा है. because because both of them are into the field of designing, right? So there you'll be able to differentiate कि आपका कौन सा जहाँ पे आपका साइकोलॉजिकल एनालिसिस एंड स्किल्स एंड एबिलिटीज आपका कहाँ सबसे ज्यादा हाई जा रहा है. So there is that is something you can work upon, right? And yeah, so basically the entire idea of the stream selection is that you should be able to, at least for the first step, आपको ये बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए कि आपको तीनों स्ट्रीम्स में से कौन सी स्ट्रीम चूज करनी है. अगर मैं ओवरऑल इस पूरे वेबिनार का जिस्ट अगर मैं आपको देना चाहूँ, सो इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक दैट कि पूरे वेबिनार का यू नो द आइडिया शुड बी दैट आपका स्ट्रीम सिलेक्शन बिल्कुल पक्का होना चाहिए. अगर आपको साइंस लेना है, right, if you want to take up science, that is well and good. बट इफ यू आर लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूज कि अगर आपको बायो पसंद है, केमिस्ट्री पसंद नहीं है, फिजिक्स का पसंद नहीं है, सो दीज आर समथिंग जो बहुत माइन्यूट है. क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, आपको बायो पसंद है पर आपको बाकी दोनों सब्जेक्ट्स पसंद नहीं है. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको बायो में अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए, बट टू पास यू वुड ऑल्सो हैव टू वर्क इन लाइक फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री बोथ. तो क्या आपका एप्टीट्यूड इतना है कि आप दोनों चीजों में परफॉर्म कर पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगे? See, even if you are thinking about science, you have to know कि if you will be able to perform it wholeheartedly or not, right? And same goes with अगर आप science ले रहे हैं, if you're taking up commerce, and just because you couldn't decide, or आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा था, you just took up commerce, और आप एक्चुअली आपका मैकेनिकल एबिलिटी बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है, आप कभी कॉमर्स में इंजॉय नहीं कर पाओगे. बिकॉज इन कॉमर्स यू हैव टू बी वेरी ओपन, यू हैव टू बी वेरी ओपन एंड वेरी वेरी कंसिस्टेंट विद द आइडिया. कॉमर्स इज अ सब्जेक्ट जो लगता बहुत आसान है बट एक्चुअली है नहीं. कॉमर्स एज अ फील्ड नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी. आपको कंसिस्टेंटली मेहनत करनी पड़ती है कॉमर्स के लिए. साइंस में, बायोलॉजी में बहुत सारे टेक्निकल जार्गन्स होते हैं जहाँ पे आपको काफी सारी चीजें याद रखनी पड़ती है. बट इन कॉमर्स यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी. एंड आर्ट्स में यू नीड टू हैव लव फॉर लैंग्वेज. आपको भाषा के साथ खेलना आना चाहिए. यू शुड बी विलिंग टू लर्न थ्योरीज. एंड अगर आपको थ्योरी पसंद नहीं है, इफ इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट यू लाइक, अगर आपको आर्ट्स में आई मीन इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक पेंटिंग और इन टर्म्स ऑफ हैविंग artistic perspective, theory के साथ, language के साथ, if that is not there, you won't enjoy things. So there are certain characteristics in science, commerce, and arts that you need to be well aware about. So I hope you enjoyed the webinar, and we just look once again हमारी website एक बार हम देखेंगे about how we can give the test, right? So you just have to type together mentor, right? So after you type together mentor, you just have to okay. So after you type, you just have to click on the sign up button, right? And then once you sign up with all the procedure that I told you, you just sign in and you will be simply be able to give your test, right? I'll just drop a message in the chat window so that you'll be able to contact us as well. So still, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Okay, I have a question from Neeraj Desai. The question is this tutorial of your website, or do we plan to cover topic of career choice today? So we can have the topic of career choice in some other webinar as well. So you can join us there. And we have a question from Zoya. She's asking, does this AAA profile have charges? Yes, it has. You can have a look at the website as well. So uh, yeah, and I'm also mentioning all the things on all the details here, so you can just look into it. Yeah. Thank you so much for attending. I hope you enjoyed today's webinar, and I hope you go through the website as well. And it will be great if you could, if you have any further questions also, and if you have any any problem during the signing in process, or you if you want to know more about our AAA assessment, please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much. I hope you all have, I hope you all are safe during this quarantine period. And yeah, thank you so much for being here today.